Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam, or as the locals still like to call it, Saigon. You may be noticing my cap is looking a little different. I have a motorbike helmet on, and there's a motorbike there with a man.
Quang from Saigon. Hello, anybody.
What is your name?
My name Quang. My work Tour Quang. Yeah.
Quang is my tour guide,
yes.
And we're going off on this motorbike to go see a little bit more of the city. So come on, let's go.
Okay, let's do it.
And can you guarantee that we won't die?
No.
You can't guarantee it.
I very getting care
So
for
there is
touring.
a chance we could die?
No chance, no chance, because I have lovely wife and 2 kids at home.
Oh, we need to see the wife and
yeah.
kids. Okay.
No problem. They give you the way because you on the way middle. Everything's okay.
Oh my God. Easy.
Yeah, good one. Okay.
I thought we was driving all the way in there.
Are you parking here?
Okay, thank you. And what is this?
This is one of the Chinese pagoda in Saigon. Chinese Buddha temple.
Okay.
Yeah. Come inside.
Okay, so above me there's these like cone-shaped incense sticks that are burning, and they take about 10 days to burn. I don't know if you can see it. So basically we'll just burn around in a spiral until it gets to the top, and it's finished, and it takes 10 days.
Many statues on the wall. And more inside.
I can't help but think the whole place is a bit of a fire hazard. So we've just left the Chinese pagoda and we're going on to the next thing.
We go to Ho Chi Minh Leader Museum, talking about Ho Chi Minh leader and talking about a little music.
Okay.
Running by Ho Chi Minh.
Here we go again.
Yeah. We got the road. Yeah. Easy again. No problem. Leader Ho Chi Minh. Được luôn ha. Okay. Phải bên này đậu xe giùm em ha. Okay. Rồi.
Thank you.
This way. Ho Chi Minh, he go out from Vietnam to other country, to Marseille, France, from here, and he around the world in 30 years to make a communist party to get other country help Vietnam to win the French.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why the government they keep here like a big museum talking about Ho Chi Minh leader and talking about communism.
That's that museum done. We've learned all about Ho Chi Minh. It's very interesting. Quite a lot to see, not many people in there. But now we're heading off to the next place. Where are we going now?
And now we go the new area of Saigon, a landmark, Central Park.
Okay.
Yeah.
The new area.
Yes.
Let's go.
So from there the rich people living. And very beautiful garden and something new for you.
Okay. puts my helmet on and takes it off every time. This bridge we're about to go over is brand new.
Yeah.
1 year old. And skyline over there. Looks pretty cool.
We go play game.
Oh yeah.
The Silver River. Oh yeah. People ride around for fun.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, they enjoy around only.
I think there's been a lot of crash here, but nobody seems too bothered.
Just this one, get this one. It's just a little không sao, not you. Because someone not on the town.
Yeah, you just get on with it. You see all these high-rise buildings. These are all apartments for rich people. It's a new modern area in Saigon. I've been here around 10 years. All looks very nice. Right, next up is the park. He's dropping me off. I'm like doing a loop through the park, coming out of another exit, and they'll be waiting for me. So the park is called Central Park. Oh, that's original, isn't it? We've got tennis, basketball games going on. People all over doing things. Yeah, this is nice. It's pretty windy down by here actually, but it's nice. It's like there's no sun anymore, it's quite cloudy and the breeze is beautiful. It's been boiling hot all day and yesterday and the day before. Just baking hot here all the time with like no wind or anything to cool you down, so this is beautiful. So coming to like the centre of the park now. And look at all these people flying kites. I've never seen so many people flying kites. I don't think you'll be able to see them all in the air on this camera. But look at the volume of people. And apparently this happens every weekend, every Saturday and every Sunday. Everyone comes down here with the kids and flies kites. Cool. There's such a happy, wholesome vibe in this park though. Really cool. Well done to the tour guide driver for bringing me here. Oh my god, I've come up to the water here. The amount of fish is insane. Look at this. Oh my god, there's even more over here. Come here. Oh my god. Proper fighting over the food. There's loads of them. There's a sign here by the water telling you that you're not allowed to do something, but I can't work out what it is you're not allowed to do. What is it? I don't understand. You're not allowed to hang from somewhere by your legs? Anybody any ideas? Let me know. Right, I'm gonna go see if I can find my man and his motorbike. Here it is. Yeah. So we've left the park, we're heading out through the expensive area and we're going to go find some cheap food.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what or where, but he says he knows the place, so let's go. Oh, I think he got clumped.
We stop here for eating. Very good food and cheap.
Okay.
Yeah.
Looks like this is where we're having dinner.
Yeah, this one. New Land.
New Land.
Yeah.
And in case you've never been to Vietnam before, you park on the pavement, on the footpath, sidewalk, whatever you want to call it. Sometimes, if it's not wide like this, you can't even walk down. So you just have to walk on the road a lot of the time. Thank you.
So they have.
This is my kind of place.
Yeah.
Plastic chairs, or stools, and metal tables.
So you like some barbecue and noodle, no soup, okay?
Yeah.
You like no soup, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, something, yeah.
Okay.
Interesting. Thank you.
Cái đó giờ là ok rồi.
So I'll show you what we've got.
Yeah. Pork barbecue.
Right. Barbecue pork.
Yeah. Ring roll, grill. Yeah.
Okay. I'm not sure what that is.
Try. Okay. Very good.
I'm still not sure what it is, but it's nice. Crispy on the outside, like a spring roll almost on the outside. There's vegetables underneath. You've got noodles.
Melon.
Nuts, I think.
Yeah. Is that?
I'm just going to have a go, get stuck in. I can't eat with chopsticks, but I'm going to try. How do I hold? Like this? Okay.
Melon and this one move.
So this one like this. And then this one.
Yeah. But this one must be and then move. Okay. Okay. Okay, nearly work. Nice. Okay.
I'm not convinced I'm going to be able to hold food in there.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. What about noodles?
Try noodle. Để cho
Thank you.
chef.
Thank you. Are you the boss?
Boss.
Boss man. Very good, thank you. So, that was very tasty. That's probably the nicest thing I've had since I've been in Vietnam. And it was 71,000 dong. That was for that massive bowl of noodles and pork that I had. An iced tea that he had, and a bottle of water for me. So, at this point, I still don't know what 71,000 means, but I'll put it up on the screen how much it was.
Okay.
And that is going to be a wrap on today's video, because all we're doing now is dropping me back off at my hostel. So there'll be another video coming tomorrow from Saigon, Vietnam. So tune in tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, anything else you can think of as well. See ya.